Exercise number 1. In the following sentences, separate the subject and the predicate. Number 1. The cackling of geese, subject, saved Rome, predicate. Number 2. The boy, subject, stood on the burning deck, predicate. Number 3. Tubal Cain, subject, was a man of might, predicate. Number 4. Stone wall, subject, do not make a prison, predicate. Number 5. The singing of the birds, subject, delights us, predicate. Number 6. Miss Kitty, subject, was rude at the table one day, predicate. Number 7. He, subject, has a good memory, predicate. 8. Bad habits, subject, grow unconsciously, predicate. 9. The earth, subject, revolves round the sun, predicate. Number 10. Nature, subject, is the best physician, predicate. Number 11. Edison, subject, invented the phonograph, predicate. Number 12. The sea, subject, has many thousand sands, predicate. Number 13. We, subject, cannot pump the ocean dry, predicate. Number 14. Borrowed garments, subject, never fit well, predicate. Number 15. The early bird, subject, catches the worm, predicate. Number 16. All matter, subject, is indestructible, predicate. 17. Islamabad, subject, is the capital of Pakistan, predicate. Number 18. We, subject, should profit by experience, predicate. Number 19. All roads, subject, lead to Rome, predicate. 20. A guilty conscience, subject, needs no excuse, predicate. 21. The beautiful rainbow, subject, soon faded away, predicate. Number 22. No man, subject, can serve two masters, predicate. Number 23. A sick room, subject, should be well aired, predicate. 24. A dewdrops, subject, glitter in the sunshine, predicate. Number 25. I, subject, shot an arrow into the air, predicate. Number 26. The shepherd is the subject and a barking sound and hears. These are the predicates. Because there is the shepherd only subject. Okay? Number 27. On the top of the hill lives, predicate. It is predicate. In the first, there is a predicate. A hermit, subject.